Before administering the social communication questionnaire, the clinician should familiarize themselves with the manual, including the difference between the current and the lifetime forms. This will ensure the clinician is knowledgeable about the tool and able to answer any questions the parent or caregiver may have. The current form is used to rate the individual's current characteristics, which would be used to support an evaluation of current difficulties. The lifetime form will be used to rate the individual's lifetime characteristics and behaviors, which would be used to determine if further evaluation is recommended. The clinician will choose the appropriate form, either the current or lifetime, and explain the instructions to the caregiver or parent. For the current form, the clinician will instruct the parent to not tear the perforated edge. Respond to all 40 questions by circling yes or no. Questions are found on the front and the back of the sheets. This form focuses on the individual's behaviors over the last 3 months. A few questions ask about several related types of behavior. Please circle yes or no to any of these behaviors were present during the past 3 months. Although you may be unsure if they are present or not, please answer yes or no to every question based on your best judgment. So you'll make sure the parents know that to circle yes or no only to the behaviors in the past 3 months. For the lifetime form, the clinician will also instruct the parent or caregiver not to tear the perforated edge. Respond to all 40 questions on the front and the back of the form. This form is focusing on the individual's behaviors over their lifespan. Questions 20 through 40 will focus on the individual's behaviors between their 4th and 5th birthdays. If the child is not yet 4, consider the behaviors in the past 12 months. A few questions ask about several related types of behaviors. Please circle yes or no to these behaviors if they were ever present. Although you may be unsure if they were present or not, please answer yes or no to every question based on your best judgment. The clinician will instruct the parent or caregiver to take whichever form they're filling out home and return it, and then the scoring will begin. When you get the completed lifetime form back from the parent or caregiver, make sure that all 40 questions on both sides are answered. The first thing you want to do is tear the perforated edge off the right side. Once you open the form, you can see that all the numbers have copied over from both sides. So what you will want to do is add up each of the 4 columns. So if item 1 does not have a scoring value, but it does dictate which items are to be added to the total score. So if the answer is yes, add items 2 through 40. If the answer to item number 1 is no, only add items 8 through 40. So here, the answer was yes, so you will add all numbers from 2 through 40. So once you get all the subtotals added from each of the 4 columns, you will get 4 values, and you will want to add all 4 of those values together, which will equal the total score. If you administer a current form, the first thing you will do when you get it back is make sure that all 40 questions on the front and the back have been responded to in either a yes or no format. You will then tear off the perforated edge on the right side. Once you open the pamphlet, you can see that the numbers have transferred over. So you will first look at number 1, which is a yes or no question. If the answer to item 1 is yes, add items 2 through 40. If the answer to item 1 is no, add only items 8 through 40. So in this scenario, no was the answer to number 1, so you will not add any of the scores in the shaded region. So then you will add all numbers in each column and put it down here at the subtotal, excluding the shaded region. Once you get your 4 subtotals, you will add all 4 values together to equal the total score. And that is the completion of the scoring for the social communication questionnaire.